There's a massive shift happening right now in how people make money online. Just a few years ago, building a $10,000 a month income took years of grinding, building skills, and finding clients. But with AI tools becoming smarter every single day, everyday people are now starting income streams in weeks, without coding, without expensive gear, and without quitting their day jobs. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 AI side hustles that real people are using right now to make serious money in 2025. I'll break down exactly how each one works, the tools you need, how much you can earn, and how to get started even if you've never made a single dollar online. And at the end, I'll reveal one side hustle that almost no one is doing yet, but could explode into the next big gold rush. 1. AI-powered copywriting and content creation businesses constantly need written content, blog posts, emails, product descriptions, ad copy. Hiring traditional writers can be expensive, but AI changes the game. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai, you can create high-quality drafts in minutes and then polish them for a professional finish. Earnings potential. Beginner freelancers can charge $50 to $150 per article, but skilled AI-assisted writers can easily earn $200 to $500 per piece. 10 steady clients could mean $8,000 to $20,000 a month. Getting started. Pick a niche with high-paying clients like finance, real estate, or SaaS. Offer blog writing, email campaigns, or sales page copy. Use AI for drafts, but edit to keep the human touch. Create profiles on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly message small businesses. Scaling tip. Learn basic SEO and use tools like Surfer SEO to optimize content. You can double your rates instantly. 2. AI thumbnail and graphic design. In the creator economy, thumbnails are everything. A great thumbnail can double or triple a video's click-through rate. Using AI art tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, you can design bold, eye-catching backgrounds. Then, in Canva or Photoshop, you add striking text and visuals. Earnings potential: $15 to $50 per thumbnail, or $200 to $500 per month in retainer deals for regular clients. Getting started. Study the top-performing thumbnails in your niche. Learn the styles that get clicks: high contrast, close-up faces, bold fonts. Offer fast delivery and unlimited revisions when starting to win trust. Scaling tip. Offer complete YouTube branding packages, thumbnails, banners, end screens, and sell them for $300 to $500 each. 3. AI video editing and repurposing. Creators and businesses need more content than ever, but editing takes hours. With AI tools like Descript, Opus Clip, and Runway, you can cut, caption, and format videos for multiple platforms in a fraction of the time. Earnings potential: $30 to $50 per short clip, $200 to $500 for full-length edits. Getting started. Offer content repurposing. Take a long-form video and turn it into 10 to 15 short clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Reach out to coaches, podcasters, and YouTubers directly. Scaling tip. Hire a virtual assistant to handle basic edits while you focus on getting more clients. 4. AI-generated stock photos and footage. Stock marketplaces like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 are always looking for fresh, unique visuals. AI art tools allow you to generate hundreds of themed images and footage in days instead of months. Earnings potential: $1 to $5 per download. A large portfolio can earn $500 to $2,000 per month passively. Getting started. Research trending keywords on stock sites. Create themed collections like futuristic office scenes or AI-generated food photography. Upload regularly and optimize your titles and tags. Scaling tip: bundle niche packs and sell directly to businesses for higher payouts. 5. AI voiceover services. Voiceovers are needed for ads, explainer videos, audiobooks, and even YouTube channels. AI tools like 11 Labs or Love Voice make it possible to deliver professional quality audio without expensive equipment. Earnings potential: $50 to $300 per project, $500 to $1,500 for audiobooks. Getting started: choose 2 to 3 voices and offer them as options. Create a demo reel with sample scripts. List your service on Fiverr, Voices.com, and Upwork. Scaling tip: bundle your voiceover with script writing or video editing for a full service package. 6. AI chatbot creation for businesses. Small businesses get flooded with repetitive customer questions. An AI chatbot can answer instantly, 24/7, and save them hiring costs. Earnings potential: $500 to $2,000 setup fee plus $50 to $200 per month for maintenance. Getting started: learn tools like ManyChat, BotPress, or Tidio. Offer to build a chatbot that answers FAQs, books appointments, or handles basic customer service. Target local businesses like salons, gyms, and real estate agencies. Scaling tip: offer performance tracking and optimization as a monthly upsell. 7. AI social media content planning. AI can generate captions, hashtags, post ideas, and even complete content calendars. Businesses will pay for someone to run their social media without them lifting a finger. Earnings potential: $300 to $1,500 per month per client. Getting started: use tools like ChatGPT, Buffer, and Canva. Offer a monthly package with 20 to 30 posts, full captions, and optimized hashtags. Scaling tip: specialize in a profitable niche like restaurants, fitness coaches, or e-commerce stores. 8. AI-powered resume and LinkedIn optimization. Job seekers are desperate to stand out. AI tools can help rewrite resumes, create custom cover letters, and optimize LinkedIn profiles for recruiters. Earnings potential: $50 to $200 per resume, $300 to $500 for a full LinkedIn makeover. Getting started: learn to use ChatGPT prompts for resume tailoring. Create before and after examples for your portfolio. Offer your services on LinkedIn and career-related Facebook groups. Scaling tip: partner with career coaches to get consistent client referrals. 9. AI-driven e-commerce product research. Selling products online is all about finding what sells. AI tools can scrape reviews, track trends, and identify profitable products before they blow up. Earnings potential: $500 to $5,000 per month depending on product sales. Getting started: use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 with AI integration to analyze trends. Sell your own products or offer research as a service to other sellers. Scaling tip: create a subscription-based research report for e-commerce sellers. 10. AI course creation and automation. Online courses are still a billion-dollar industry. AI tools can help create scripts, slide decks, and even voiceover narration in days. Earnings potential: $500 to $5,000 plus per course launch. Getting started: pick a topic you know or can research quickly. Use ChatGPT for lesson outlines, Canva for slides, and 11 Labs for narration. Host on platforms like Teachable or Gumroad. Scaling tip: automate your marketing using AI email sequences and sell courses on autopilot. And there you have it: 10 AI-powered side hustles that could realistically take you to $10,000 per month or more in 2025. The world is changing fast, and the people who adapt early are the ones who win big. Don't overthink it. Pick one hustle, take the first step this week, and commit to improving as you go. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe for more ways to use AI to build your income. And if you're ready for the next step, watch my video on the best and worst side hustles of 2025. I'll see you there.